video we will know what's new in the new version of TeslaSCADA2 44. The main feature we added in the new version is possibility to use BACnet IP protocol. To create new BAC IP server, you have to use context menu and choose BACnet IP, or use main menu and create BACnet IP server. We already created in our demo project, so we open the properties of this server. First the name, second the IP address of the local device on which installed our TeslaSCADA application, default port, and broadcast IP. Pull interval used for discover devices and for read and request if you don't use if your device doesn't use subscription, and device number. We primarily create some text. To bind text to the BACnet IP tag, you have to click input tag. First start it make some discover devices in your network, and it takes some time. Okay, we discovered our devices and you can see our objects. For our purposes we use BACnet device simulator and choose BACnet input. First number, it's our device number, second type of the object, and third its number, instance number. Okay. We primarily create some object, analog input, analog value, analog output. Let's see it in TeslaSCADA runtime. It takes some time to discover device in the first site. Sometimes you should restart your TeslaSCADA runtime if device not discovered. You can see in our simulator and in our project the values are the same. So TeslaSCADA analog input, you can change analog output values. For example, in our simulator it's, and you can change the other value, for example 20 analog value 12. Also analog output you could also change, for example 99. You can see you can change binary output, binary input. Output present value active, and now we click inactive. The same thing with binary value inactive. Also you can see some other objects from BACnet network. You can see it works. You can also upload your project on Android device. To do this you have to change IP address, because use IP address of your Android device, and change device number, for example this number. Save and load on device. Start TeslaSCADA runtime on your Android device and load your project. Now you can start. And you can see values. Let's check analog input, isn't value, and it's the same. You can also change, for example, our analog output. Let's check. Yes, it's changed. That's all. Unfortunately, we don't have iOS version at this moment, but in future we'll develop it. Thank you for watching.